Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover embroidery machine hacks, DIY accessories for every crafter. Embroidery machines are powerful tools for creating stunning designs, but with a few clever hacks, you can unlock even more potential and save money on accessories. Here's how to craft your own DIY embroidery accessories and enhance your crafting experience. Why DIY embroidery accessories? Cost-effective, save money by making accessories instead of buying expensive branded tools. Customization, tailor accessories to suit your specific projects and needs. Sustainability, reduce waste by repurposing materials. Creativity, add a personal touch to your embroidery setup. DIY accessories and hacks for embroidery machines. 1. Custom thread organizer. Keep your threads neat and easily accessible with a DIY thread organizer. Materials needed: wooden board or cardboard, nails or dowels, paint or fabric for decoration. Steps: arrange nails or dowels on the board in a grid pattern. Secure them with glue or screws. Paint or cover the board with fabric to match your crafting space. 2. Hoop storage solution. Store embroidery hoops efficiently and prevent damage. Materials needed: over the door hooks or pegboard, clips or ribbons. Steps: attach hooks or install a pegboard in your craft area. Use clips or ribbons to hang the hoops securely. Label each hoop size for quick identification. 3. DIY stabilizer dispenser. Keep stabilizers organized and tangle-free with a simple dispenser. Materials needed: empty tissue box or plastic container, scissors or craft knife. Steps: cut a small slit on the lid of the box. Place the stabilizer roll inside and thread it through the slit. Decorate the box for a personalized touch. 4. Homemade thread nets. Prevent thread from unraveling with DIY thread nets. Materials needed: mesh fabric or old stockings, scissors. Steps: cut the mesh fabric or stockings into small tubes. Slide them over the thread spools to keep threads in place. 5. Repurpose bobbin holder. Use everyday items to create a bobbin storage solution. Materials needed: ice cube tray, muffin tin, or foam. Steps: place bobbins in the compartments of an ice cube tray or muffin tin. Alternatively, insert bobbins into slits cut into foam for a compact holder. 6. Needle organizer. Sort and store needles effectively with this simple hack. Materials needed: pill organizer or small tackle box, labels or markers. Steps: assign each compartment to a specific needle type or size. Label the compartments for easy reference. 7. DIY embroidery light box. Enhanced design tracing with a homemade light box. Materials needed: clear plastic container, LED strip lights or battery-powered light. Steps: place the LED lights inside the plastic container, secure the lid, and use the illuminated surface to trace designs. Extra tips for crafting accessories: repurpose household items for unique solutions. Keep safety in mind when using sharp tools or heat. Test accessories with small projects before using them extensively. Organize your crafting space to maximize efficiency. Conclusion: with these DIY embroidery machine hacks, you can enhance your crafting setup while saving money and personalizing your tools. Get creative, experiment with materials, and enjoy the satisfaction of crafting accessories that make embroidery even more enjoyable.